This is a quick meditation to ground in feelings of peace and love and sovereignty. Settle into the surface of your chair. Allow your eyes to drift close as you take a deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. Feel your feet as they ground into the earth, growing more solid and heavy. Feel that your body is supported. Your stress just leaks away. Know that you are safe. Know that you are present. Know that you are sovereign. Now imagine a golden light above your head. This light of divine source, eternal, pure, and free of fear. As you breathe in, allow that light to flow down through the crown of your head, filling your mind, filling your heart, filling your whole being with peace. With every breath, feel as this golden light expands down your spine, through your chest, into your arms and legs, until you are glowing like a radiant pillar of golden light. Now, from this place of inner sovereignty, send your golden light out. First to your home, then to your community, then across the oceans, flowing from place to place, and finally moving over these lands at war and in conflict. See these borders dissolve in your golden light. See the people that are held in fear and anger and pain, bathed in this beautiful golden light. Watch as it bathes them in peace and clarity and compassion. Whisper to them in your heart, "You are magnificent. You are divine. You are free." Take one more deep breath, anchoring in this golden light, not just for yourself, but for souls across the globe. Know that every time you choose peace, Know that every time you connect with your light, you help heal the world's consciousness. And when you're ready, gently return to this moment, grounded, present, and divine. When you are ready, open your eyes. We cut the strings of fear when we have these conversations. We remember our sovereignty when we have these conversations. We are free. We are divine. And fear has no place in this energy.